Hello everyone, Cass from DemButlers back again, and I am about to cook. So as I told you, I would share with you some lean and green recipes that I will be making for the week. This one will be divided somewhat half and half. One of the things that Cedric and I have enjoyed are Friday night pizzas. So toward the end of the week, I'm going to do some chicken, slow cooker sesame honey chicken with jacama fries. And I learned today, this is a jacama. The lady in produce had to show me. So in case you have not figured it out, there's no carbs. So no potatoes, French fries, bread, any of those things, at least until you lose your weight. And that's very important to us. So we're very much sticking to the plan in healthier living, and we want to take on this lifestyle. So some of the things that I did get and I'm about to cook, I'm going to do some tilapia for me, right there. I'm going to do some mashed potatoes with cauliflower. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and do those collards. Still got to do some collards. I'm going to do some chicken fajitas with vegetables, and I'm also going to do compliments of Takana's Kitchen. I did like her recipe that she said for the roasted cabbage with turkey. So not going to do the carrots. It's not a green vegetable for us, but I'm going to do the rest of it. Some of the things that we did go ahead and replace in our refrigerator: low-fat butter, fat-free cream cheese, fat-free sour cream, egg whites, half and half from our coffee, and this wonderful silk almond milk that I've never had. You will see some things still in there that, ironically, those Minute Maid fruit punches and that one Dr. Pepper have been in there for 2 weeks now. Haven't touched it. We don't do that. And we went and got all new condiments. So again, that's that part of the grocery bill that I was saying that, it's not something you go get every week. You're going to get it not one time, but, once per month or whatever. And how I have been organizing so far our pantry. Green for us is healthy. So these are our on-the-go meals. Grab and go. You don't do anything with. Not at all. And these are our shakes, require a little bit more, water, just a couple more steps. You're not just going to grab it, go and eat. And then I made some brownies last night for the week. That's those right there. And that's pretty much it. That's how I have it organized in our pantry. Again, there's a grandbaby that lives here, so do not be confused when you see some of these things. These are not ours. I not live here, but she comes and visit. I apologize for that. So she's not on the healthier living plan. Hopefully she won't have to ever be. If she's eating Dub and Cece's food, she'll be good. She'll never have to go through this process with us. It'll just be part of her normal eating routine. So I'm getting ready to get started. I'm not going to keep coming in. When I'm done, I will show you the finished product and post I guess I'm going to say it's a recipe. I did go off a recipe, but I amend with flavors that Cedric likes and he's not allergic to, such as a lot of dairy or the mushrooms, that type of thing. But it's not in there anyway. But I am amending some things, or tweaking, I should say. I'll let you see how the finished product looks. So the next 2-3 hours, I'll be cooking. Like, share, follow, comment, and we hope you join us on this healthier lifestyle journey. Go to DemButlers.com and stay abreast of everything that we're doing and posting, and hopefully you'll also be shedding weight along with us. Thanks.